Welcome once again to my channel HiCAD Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how I designed this mechanical component using different modeling tools in AutoCAD. And also you can see that the component is well dimensioned. So I'm going to recreate this very drawing now using the specified dimensions. So I'll have to switch to a 3D modeling workspace to do this. So right up here, click on this arrow and choose 3D modeling. Okay, so let's just get started. Now I'm going to switch this very drawing to front view. So come over to the view panel, click and choose front view. Okay, so this is the front view of this very drawing. So the first thing I'll do here is to draw a line of 100 units. So I click on line command and draw a line of length 100. Which is this, and draw another line of 92 from the midpoint of this line downwards. So I click on line command again, click on the midpoint of this very line and draw a line of 92 downwards. Okay, the next thing I'll do now is to create these very circles, and the radius of this circle is 12. Click on this arrow and choose center radius, and draw the first circle here, which here at the center point, enter 12. Repeat circle, right click and choose repeat circle, and draw the second circle here and enter 12. Also right click and choose repeat circle and draw the third circle here, enter a radius of 12. Okay, next I'm going to draw yet another circle, but this time of radius 25. Click on the circle command again and choose center radius, which here at the center, enter 25. Repeat the same here, and right click and choose repeat circle, choose here at the center, enter 25. Okay, so I'm going to draw a third circle here, but the diameter this time is 30. So I click on the circle command again, click on center radius, with here at the center, enter 30. Okay, so I now have all the circles in place. So next I'm going to use the line command to connect these very circles. Come here and click on the line command. So I'm going to draw a line that will be tangential to this circle and this, and also this and this. So I'm going to hold down the control key, right click and choose tangent, then click on this circle, hold down the control key again, right click and choose tangent, then click on this circle, exit this command, repeat the same here, click on the line command, hold down the control key and right click, choose tangent, click on this circle, hold down the control key, right click and choose tangent, and click on this circle. Okay, then draw a line to connect these two circles at the quadrant points. Okay, so I can now clean up these lines. I have no need of them now. Erase. Also use the trim command to trim off some portions of these very circles. So click on trim command, trim off this, and this. Okay. Now use the join command to join them all up. Come to the modify panel, click on this and choose join, and highlight all this and enter. So I now have one polygon. Alright, so the next I'm going to do now is to draw a rectangle of 32 by 60. So I click on the rectangle command and draw a rectangle of 32. Click on 32. click on the Tab key and enter 60. Okay. So I click on the Move command, click on this, enter, then locate the geometric center of this rectangle, which is this. Click and drop at the geometric center of this very triangle. Okay, that is done. So next I will now switch back again to isometric view. Click on this and choose Southwest Isometric. Okay. Now I'm going to extrude this very rectangle to a distance of 50. Extrude this to a distance of 50. So I click on the extrude command. I can either use the extrude command or use the press pull command. So let's choose the press pull command. Then click on this rectangle and pull it out to a distance of 50. Exit this command. Okay, so I'm now going to draw these circles. Again, I can switch back to top view. Click on this and choose top. Okay, so I can now draw these circles again. So click on the circle command, choose center radius again, and draw a circle of 13 radius at the midpoint, with the center at the midpoint of this very rectangle. Draw a circle of radius 13, enter. Draw yet another circle of 25 radius. So click on the circle command again, locate the center, and enter 25. Okay. So again, I'm going to switch back again to isometric view. Click on this and choose again Southwest Isometric. Okay, so I'm now going to extrude these two circles up to a height of 60. So click on the extrude command, click on this circle and also this, enter, then pull up to a height of 60. Okay. So the next I'll do now is use the union command to join this and this, to combine these two. So click on union, click on this, and also click on this. So I now have one solid. So the next I'm going to do is to subtract this one from this using the solid subtract command. So I click on the solid subtract command, click on this, then subtract the inner one, which is this. Okay, so it is now opened up. Now the next I will do now is to also extrude this surface to a height of 12. Height of 12 using also the extrude command. So I'm going to extrude this and these three circles to a thickness of 12 or a height of 12. So click on extrude command, click on this, click on this, click on these circles as well, enter, then pull it out to a distance of 12. Okay. Again, I'm going to use the solid subtract command to open up these holes. So come to the solid edging panel, click on solid subtract, click on this, enter, then subtract this, and so subtract this, enter. You can see now that those holes have been opened up. Okay, you can see now that this drawing is complete. So thank you for watching, and please do subscribe for more of my tutorials.